Hi, I'm Beth,
I'm Dawn. Hi, I'm Ciara.
and we are the Bavaro Babes. Our objective as representatives for Now in Punta Cana is to go out into the community and experience the fun and show you how to have fun in Punta Cana every single day. So, Dawn, tell us about what you do outside of Now in Punta Cana.
I am the co-owner of Passports in Paradise. My area of expertise is all-inclusive resorts and full-service concierge.
What about you, Ciara?
I am Ciara, and I'm another co-owner of Passport in Paradise. And my area expertise is in transportation, excursions, and culture tours.
So you see, whatever you want to do, we got you covered. So we're waiting on you to come join us to experience what's happening now in Punta Cana.